Hey friends, today we are making the ultimate peri peri chicken burrito with a creamy avocado crema. It's spicy, delicious, juicy, super filling and honestly restaurant level at home. Let's do it. In a bowl, first add peri peri seasoning, a good drizzle of olive oil, lemon juice, and a garlic paste and El Pastor seasoning. Add your chicken slices and mix until every piece is coated. Let it sit for about 20 minutes after you mix everything. If you're in a rush, even 10 minutes still gives great flavor. Don't forget to add garlic paste. Now for the star sauce, avocado crema. In a blender, add 2 tablespoons of a Greek yogurt, 1 ripe avocado, lemon juice, 1 tsp salt, 1 tsp garlic paste, and a drizzle of olive oil. Blend everything until it's completely smooth and creamy. If it's too thick, add a tiny splash of water to loosen it up. Taste and adjust the consistency. Now heat a pan on a medium-high heat with a little olive oil. Place the chicken in a one layer and let it cook without touching it for a minute so you get that nice sear. Flip and cook the other side until it's tender, juicy and cooked through. If your pieces are thicker, lower the heat slightly and cook it with longer. Now assemble the burrito. Warm your tortilla first. This makes it soft and easier to roll. Now start with a base. Brown rice first. Add black beans on the top. Now pile on your peri peri chicken. Then put onion and tomato for crunchiness and freshness. Now add avocado crema, also avocado slices and lettuce. If you want to add cheese, completely optional, but if you are using it, this is the moment. Now fold the tortilla sides, roll it tightly, and toast the burrito on a hot pan until crispy golden brown on both sides. That crispy outside is everything you want, that soft crispiness. Now slice it in half, drizzle or dip into the avocado crema and enjoy. If you tried this recipe, comment burrito so I can send you the exact seasoning ratio, and don't forget to like, subscribe and save this recipe for later. See you in the next recipe. Bye bye.